plenty of roots. Run 1 complete and dug out. Now we're on to second, which will come out to here, and then we'll make a run back that way. Still got to get over there, but that's a lot of wires to go through. Right now, working on actually drainage part, because there will be a drain line mixed in with the irrigation on this one, which seemed a little interesting, but we'll make it work. Other than all the acorns and roots in the ditches, we're doing pretty good. I gotta get some loppers going, which I got right here, and get some of the roots out of the ditches so we can fit that pipe in there. Then we'll be ready to go. Also, just for a fact, there are a lot of cables down in here, and you may notice us hitting them. They're not active. They haven't been used in years from what the guy told us. That line now runs through the front yard, and don't worry, we hit that the other day. It's crazy. The marking people don't even locate that stuff anymore, it seems. We called a locate like 2 weeks prior. Oh, they located everything else except that one. Very fun. I got the root. You found it. And that. I'll have to check that out in a moment. Trying to get to that. A little tight in this area. Yeah, I see a blade down there. Get a lot of roots out of this one too. Hope we don't kill that tree. Everything going good up here? Great to hear. That's one head.
Yep.
You need another pipe?
Yeah, I gotta cut them.
Okay. I just wonder the torture that phone goes through.
I don't know.
At least it seemed to went in pretty well.
Yeah.
Might need to push that down a little bit down there.
Yeah.
But other than that,
Good.
yeah. So you got that one popped back in?
Can you take that one over there?
This one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
If you drag across here and throw dirt in, it ain't gonna matter. Yeah, I popped it back in over
Well,
there.
I'm about to fill it in anyways.
I put dirt over there.
That should help.
I need that one. Go right in here.
Okay, I'll bring it over.
Okay.
Day 2 of the backyard install. And it's time to wrap it on up. Get all this filled in, get the rest of the drainage done, get the rest of the piping done, which he's going to be taking care of that while I fill this in. So, let's roll the time lapse. Yeah, I say quite nice.
There you go. This will do.
So which one are you running first? Or do you know?
I don't know yet.
Okay. I didn't know if you knew that yet or not. So it could start here, or it could start over yonder.
One should be this one right here. Should be this one. Yeah. Yeah. Both of them got water.
Well, we'll see what happens.
Station 1 should be.
Down here.
I think the vibration. Could be that back there. What is it?
This one, down bottom.
What station 1 is this? Good?
It just did the air, so it shouldn't be too long. Here comes one. There goes 2. And there goes 3. That's throwing just about to the fence.
Okay, that's what we want. So that's going in that corner. Let me see. Channel lock. Okay, here you go. I need coming at you there.
No, but I'm getting ready. It stops like right there at that bush. I'm really moving.
A little bit more.
Where do you want this one to go? Like right over in this back area, I'm guessing?
Okay, that one.
This one.
This one. Right up in there.
Yeah, that's where it's getting. Good. Well, 2 more to go, and then it's on to the next zone, which is another 3. Yes, another 3.
I'll put it back to 15 when I get done. Okay. And then put it back to auto, there, and there.
So you ain't got a zone select on this one?
I guess
Doesn't seem like it. We pressed all the buttons.
Yep.
Well, you pressed all the buttons. One there, there, and way over there. Well, our trencher got a wash. We didn't need that box anyways.
What box?
Come on. Yep, that one up top. That one actually started spraying a little. And one up yonder. Come on. Just gotta build up. There it is. Awesome. Must have had a little bit more dirt over it or something.
No, it turned off in the water.
There we go. Total of 3 zones in this place, all are in by the faucet.
I'll still turn the water off when I leave.
Come on, 4th one, where are ya? It's down over there where all the flags are. Yep, there we go. Nice. Last one's to adjust. All 4 adjusted.
Here you go.
Looking nice. Oh, thanks. I got this one spraying just to the edge of the green bushes,
Okay.
basically.
Yeah.
What? Oh. Man, that was a lot of stuff today.
Yeah.
A good job, and well, we got her done and made it look good.